Hi everyone, I'm Meenal Vijay Pense and let's see what the third week of December 2020, that is the 15th to the 21st December 2020, has in store for the sun sign Libra. For Librans, this week is going to be a week where you will have to learn to have an absolute control over your own self. Yes, this is a week where you're going to be tempted to do a lot of things, go beyond your comfort zone, actually go beyond your balance zones, and do something very bizarre. So, this, one of the few things you could do is probably, if in case you are smoking or drinking, you would probably increase your limit. You could literally overeat, you could undereat, you could simply go on a spree of binge watching, the television. Basically, get into patterns which are very addictive and basically not good for you either physically, mentally, or emotionally. So, this week is a week where you need to exercise control on all these excessive patterns in your life and see to it that you live your life in a very balanced manner. Moving on to your workspace, your work is absolutely good. If in case you are self-employed, you will find yourself absolutely in control of your business. There are chances you might have new offers, and if in case you have already accepted those, they will be going on and moving on or proceeding very, very smoothly. If you're employed somewhere, you will find that things at your workplace are absolutely in control, nothing to worry about. Everything is managed and scheduled on time, and that you actually have some space at your workplace to relax and even have a talk or a chat with your colleagues. It's going to be a very relaxed and a harmonious and a peaceful atmosphere at your work. Moving on to the area of finances, the Librans could be in trouble for the third week of December 2020 if they do not control their excessive, the tendency of being excessive in certain areas of your life. So, for this particular week, there is actually a chance that the usually balanced liberal will go out and do something very bizarre. So you might actually go and be tempted to make up that nice big purchase you've been wanting to. And this week, even if your brain tells you not to go ahead and do it, you are actually going to go ahead, do it, and hence disturb your financial balance. So, for this particular week, if in case you are tempted to make any such kind of a financial purchase which you think, oh, it is not going to disturb my financial balance, recheck and recheck it 3 times to see to it that are you not going to fall in trouble once you've gone ahead and made that purchase, because there are chances that you will disturb your financial balances and cause yourself financial grief. So please restrain from doing such kind of a bizarre financial purchase. If in case not, then there are chances that some unexpected financial expenses would come up and throw you financially off guard. So be very careful of your finances, particularly for the third week of December 2020, at least from your end. Moving on to the matters of relationship. Again, there are certain patterns in a relationship that bring uncomfort within the relationship. Let's say some patterns of cleanliness, some patterns of behavior, patterns of communication. But what is actually happening is they will contribute to a lot of unhappiness within the relationship. So for this particular week, there are chances you might just be in the relationship but not really be happy in the relationship. So the cards advise you to work on those patterns and discuss them with your partner and see to it that the happiness quotient of both the partners and also in the relationship is brilliantly restored. Going and moving on to the space of health, if in case you have been planning to do something for your health, you can be rest assured that for this particular week it is going to be a Herculean task for you to stick to any one schedule, any one diet, any one particular kind of a routine. You're simply not going to stick to it. Rather, you might keep on extending the activity, saying, okay, I'll probably do it tomorrow, okay, I'll probably do it after half an hour, okay, I'll probably do it after 2 days, and that 2 days, half an hour, or the next day is never going to come. So if you are genuinely concerned about your health, see to it that no matter how tempting it is to snuggle into the bed and watch that film, see to it that at the decided time you simply get up, go out, give your body the activity and the exercise it needs, and see to it that you have your food or your meals on time. Your responses and comments about how you felt your experience about the third week of December 2020 was for you are absolutely welcome. Please feel free to share your experiences with me in the comment box, or you can also personally DM me, and I'll be very happy to understand and read your experiences. Here's wishing you a very beautiful and a happy week ahead. Thank you.